Nope, 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 nope. There we go. First startup with the final revision in preparation for tomorrow. RPMs are good. Gonna get some gas in the morning, get some fresh stuff. Topped off coolant. AFR is good. Downstream is good. Coolant temperature is rising, which is good. Fuel trims are good. Looking pretty good. Sounds good. I don't hear any fueling issue or detonation issue, so that's +1 and prep for tomorrow. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.